40.27.
Here we go. We have Creed dropping down. This is a knee jerk in one of the action, 38.30. It's all over the map. I'm going to have to pull up a tick chart. I do not have an earnings report yet. It happened out of nowhere. The closing bell went off, and then all of a sudden, bam, we dropped down into the bids. We're going to see if they're going to pull another wing ding on Wall Street and the analysts and everyone alike. Investors, beware that if they can't deliver this quarter, they can't deliver nothing anytime ever. Now we're popping back up. It's all over the map. You can see that long bid and ask, that knee jerk coming up with that 38.30, coming back up to the highs of the day at 41.50. It's all over the map. No one even knows what's going on. And that is Cree in motion at 41.50 up toward the highs. That's a $3 bump off the low. People are going mad on that one. Let's find out the story. The rest of them haven't reported yet. You can see them all right here, MMTs. We got VMware coming up to $88 right here. We got Cree falling back down. We're going to find out exactly what's going on.
2 million for its third quarter fiscal.
All right, so we're live
represents
video.
A 6% decrease compared to the revenue of 2.
So basically the revenues, did they miss or did they make it? This is that after hours. They brought this thing down to $38 and then they popped it to $41.50 and they slid the bid all in 3 minutes, 6 minute, 9 minute. So we're headed north again. So we need to find out about the guidance. So that makes that thing a short up there at that top. There wasn't nothing to keep it going. Sliding that bid immediately in the tick chart. Coming back up, that's on Cree. VMW, you could see that great earnings pop up to almost $93, $92.75, printing at 91 right now. Unlike Cree that we showed just a moment ago, is that this one is popping, and we're going to find out more about the previews because they're going to provide good opportunities for tomorrow.
Ends up 7.
Here's another knee-jerk reaction. We've had VMware. We got this Wynn Resorts. We showed what the put side of the public was on, and we showed some calls earlier. But this one is gapping up to 145 on that hoteler. We'll find out more about the earnings. Closed at 138.93. This is the after-hours tick chart. Took that thing to 148 and slid that bid immediately. That's on Wynn Resorts. There it is. What we are going to do is we're waiting on ISRG, we're waiting on Yahoo, we're waiting on Juniper. We've already got the big pops and volatility in Cree. We haven't seen nothing.
You got
on
a bid
Intel.
of 345 and a quarter by 355, $10 wide on ISRG.
ISRG just beat?
No, you got a $20 wide bid and ask, $15
$20 wide bid. 345 by 359. We're getting that knee jerk right here, right now. Let me put in that ISRG. After hours, learning how to trade that thing, we had some shorts with some of our bigger players. You can see that right here. There's that
down
ISRG
$10.
just tanking. Look at that tank. That means that down and out of the money put options pay, but there will be a bounce when we find out more about the guidance. But that was a great short that we previewed right there. Look at that downside move in ISRG. Close at 364.39, up $8.11. You will see some bounces. We'll come back. We got trade management in play. Here we go right now. We're going to pull up Big Blue, IBM right here. It closed at 165.40. We got a great knee-jerk reaction. We will be doing the earnings preview. It's a $2 pop. You can see they shot that thing to 170. They dropped those bids right away. We will be doing the exact trade management is when they slide it, you short it. When they pop it, you pop it long. Then you figure out what it's going to do and what the conference call and what their forward-looking outlook will be on IBM Big Blue. Popped in after hours. We got everything popping and Wynn popped up to 147, and it was a short. All of them are popping higher, and they're selling short in after hours so far. Look at ISRG. What a pop up and a great short. They're popping these things on the earnings, and then they're coming in and selling short against the public, as always. So basically, that's what we do here. That's the Big Blue. Big Blue is right here. There it is. There's that big move down in ISRG. After hours tick chart to 170 on Big Blue.